Snapshotting, analyzing, and documenting your database environment doesn't have to be tedious and time-consuming. SentryOne Document helps you streamline the most time-consuming yet critical data management tasks, documenting your environment and understanding data lineage. If you haven't seen SentryOne Document in action, we have a new online demo that you can explore without downloading anything or using any of your own data. Everything you need, including a sample data set, is included in this sandbox environment. SentryOne Document is a cloud solution, simplifying the documentation process by allowing you to easily add data sources and begin documenting and analyzing the many data stores in your environment. An intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and manage your data estate. Solutions are containers for the items that you'll produce documentation and data lineage for, whether they be SQL Server, Azure Data Factory, Power BI, SSIS, AS, RS, Salesforce, and more. The Documentation tab is where you'll see your solutions and associated metadata documentation for the objects in your data estate, such as tables, columns, schemas, data types, and many others. Lineage provides you with a visual representation of the dependencies and flow of data within your distributed data estate. You can change dependency types, the level of granularity, and dependency direction. Finally, the Data Dictionary allows you to annotate the objects within your documentation with additional information and comments, an excellent way to ensure adherence to business rules and simplify knowledge share across an organization. Ready to discover how SentryOne Document can save you time and frustration in managing your data environment? Take a quick tour of SentryOne Document's sandbox demo site, available now at the URL below.